Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Read and write JSON file using pandas. JavaScript Object Notation or JSON is a lightweight text-based format for storing and transporting data. It is written in JavaScript Object Notation and is a language independent. NoSQL databases use JSON format to store data. It can take different formats. Normally curly braces hold object and each name is followed by the full colon. The name value pairs are separated by comma. Square brackets hold array and values are separated by comma. So here is a one possible format in which the first there is curly bracket and then index, which is followed by the full colon, and again there is objects column name and its value. For example, column name is company, value is Toyota, then the other column name model, Altus, and so on. So it is important to know about the expected format of the JSON string to read it correctly. So here we will use the read JSON pandas function for reading the JSON file, whether it is a local file or URL or can be a string, compatible string. First is path. Any valid string path is acceptable. Orient is actually expected JSON string format. Type, whether it is frame or series, the default is frame. Orients can be of different types. If type is series, then orient can be split, records, and index. The default is index for the series, and if it is types is frame, which is the default one, then orient can be split, records, index, columns, values, and tables. The default orient for data frame is columns. So here are some samples. The first sample represent the format of the columns, which syntax is like dictionary, in which curly bracket, then the column name and index, full colon, then index and its value. A company is the basically column name. It index of the first value is 0 and its value is Toyota. Then this is the other index, and same way this is another column and index and its values. There are 4 columns. So after reading this using the read JSON function, we will get the results which is present on the right side of the, so it will return the pandas data frame like this one. The format below is of record, and this type its string type is record. So before reading we will mention the orient equal to records. Records, this is like a list like, in which columns and column is followed by the value. Company, Toyota, then again a column, model, and in which columns and value they are the pairs of the columns and values, which is enclosed in the square brackets. So in this way we can read the different JSON files. So let's say we start using the So first of all, import the pandas. Here first of all we take example of the format in which string format is column basically. So let's say this is our JSON text. For example, this is so this is the expected JSON string. Now this format is column 1. So here reading, for example, data is equal to read JSON and then JSON1. So column is actually the default one. If we run this, so in this case there is no need to mention the orient. Basically this is the indication of expected string format. And if, for example, orient is equal to columns, so in this way we can specify the orient. If the JSON format is, for example, like this one, JSON 2, so in this format we will use the columns, index and data. These keys are fixed. So here to read this format we will specify the orient equal to split. For example, pd read JSON and JSON2 orient equal to split. JSON2. So in split format this is also like dictionary, but first of all index, then columns and data keys are used. We cannot change these keys, columns, index, and if we use, for example, oriented equal to column, for example, so it will raise the error. So it is very important to know about the orient, the expected string format. So there are other formats like index, columns, values. Values, for example, this is just like array. For example, value is basically a array, a list of lists. So if we use for example this format JSON3 equal to, so in this case we will use the orient is equal to values. This JSON and JSON3 orient is equal to values so in this way we can read different files. If the JSON file is stored on hard disk, so we can also read PD for read. If it is a local file, for example JSON students.json, so it will return the pandas data frame. So here it has a 4 columns and 4 rows. Similarly, we can produce a compatible JSON format by using toJSON function of the pandas. In other words, we can generate, for example, if we have a data set like a data frame, data frame 1, 2 and 2, 3 for example, and it has a columns equal to columns is equal to list ABC AB. So this is our data frame. Now to convert this data frame to JSON format, so we can use the toJSON function, and in this way we can produce different JSON format. For example, pd dot d dot to JSON and orient is equal to, for example, columns. So in this way we can produce different format of the this is column. In first here A is column and then followed by the colon, and there is index 0. At 0 index value is 1 and at 0 is 1 value is 2, and in the B column 2 and 4 are stored at the index 0 and 1 respectively. So in this way, if we want to save this file to disk, so we can mention the path. For example, you can specify the name, for example abc.json. So in this way we can store the output to the disk. So thank you.